Friends, you have done such a wonderful job with your rhythms so far. So since we've learned a couple of examples of rhythms, such as our tas and TTs, or we also call them our quarter notes and our eighth notes, let's look at how we put them on what we call a music staff. So a music staff is what all musicians use to read their music. So I want you to take a look over here. Our music staff is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. And we have them labeled first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, and first space, second space, third space, and fourth space. Can you hold out your hand? Let's start with our pinky on the bottom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Your hand makes a music staff. That is what musicians read all those rhythms on. Now on that staff, we have 2 types of notes. We have what we call line notes. And with the line notes, notice how the line is going through the note head. The line's going through the note. Sometimes I like to pretend that my head is a note, and I can make a line note by going like this. So I pretend that it's going right through. So we have what we call line notes. Go ahead and say line notes. Awesome. And then we have what we call space notes. The space notes are in the open space. There's nothing going through them. So I like to show it like this. Okay. Nothing's going through my note head. So we have line notes and we have space notes. Let's practice. Can you show me by going line or space? Is this a line note or a space note? If you said line note, you are right because look at the line is going right through it. Awesome. Okay, how about this one? Oh, yeah, it's a space note because there's nothing going through the note. It's in the open space. Let's try a couple more. What is that one, a line or a space note? Good job, it's a space note. And let's do one more. Show me line or space note. Awesome, it's a line note. The line is going right through the note. So the way that our music is written on a staff goes line note, space note, line note, space note, line note, space note. Let's practice with some animals. Okay, so we have our line, or we have our space notes, and we have our line notes. All right, friends, take a look at my moose. I'm drawing a line through my moose. Can you show me, is that a line note or a space note? Oh, good job. All right, let's see, it looks like a little fox here. Am I making the fox a line or a space note? A line note. Great job. Let's try our bear. What am I making our bear? I'm making our bear a space note. Great job. All right, let's look at our next one. What kind of animal is this? Let's do... What is it? Line or space note? Space note. Let's try our mouse. What am I making our mouse? A line note. Great job. All right, last one. What's our bunny? If you said line note, give yourself a thumbs up. Great job. Today you can practice coloring your line and space notes by coloring your space notes blue and your notes with a line through it, your line notes red. Have fun!